Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a board on Pinterest. So you press the plus and then go to board, and then you can name your board. So here I'm making an example, and then I can add who I want to collaborate with. So I can just search by name or email, or I can just click on it um, and then I can also make this board a secret by tapping on that button, so only you and your collaborators will see the board, and then press create, and then there you go, your board is created. So now you can save some pins to share on your board, for example that one. So I can just press the plus button, and then it's saved to the board that I have created. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.